Today we're working on another Volvo lost key situation. This one's going to be a 1999 Volvo V70. Customer sent the Immobilizer box. Customer sent the door lock. So basically plan action. I'm going to decode this lock, figure out what the exact cuts are. Cut some brand new keys, make sure they turn in nice and smooth. And then I'll go ahead to phase 2, which is programming. I'll come back in a little bit. See you shortly. All right, I'm back. Everything is done. So these are the keys I wasted. I went through all the possibilities, cut these different keys, trying to get the lock to turn by decoding it. And I was decoding the wrong cuts because some of them wasn't moving. So I got everything working right. Here's the good keys. Yeah, when you have a stuck wafer, it's going to throw you off because that means it ain't working properly. And I called the customer. They said this car sat for some years. So that's it. Nice spring action. Both keys have chips in them. They all plug and play at this point. Now, those of you that are just starting to watch my videos, I've been doing this since 1990. So I had the opportunity to see a lot of the cars with chips come into play. When I was making keys, there was no chips. So I got a chance to get involved in all that until now, to where we are with the chips and transponders and keyless and everything now. Those of you that call me and wonder why people can't do this for you, one, they may not have the training. Two, they may not get enough calls to justify buying the equipment. So that's basically it. But if you need my help, give me a call. I'll tell you what to send me, how much it's going to cost, how long it's going to take. And as usual, I appreciate y'all for watching. If you like my videos, like, subscribe, and share. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Appreciate you. Oh, yeah, go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Appreciate it.